When I always say this, and I've recently did a podcast, somebody interviewed me and I mentioned this, that God has given us one life.
Yes.
And चित्रगुप्त को हम जाके नहीं बोल सकते. एक जिंदगी थी. I was at this job and I've been doing that from 25 years. I was given this salary and खत्म. This is me, say Adi. Firstly, brief me about your character, about how did you play it, how did you get into the film.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है. I started my journey as a counselor and a life coach. I got to play the role of a tourist there, and it was in the Taj Mahal because I also resonate a lot with romance and love.
And that story एक फिल्म है जिसकी बड़ी चर्चित भी हुई तमाम चीज़ों को लेकर कि अरे एजेंडा फिल्म है, अरे कंट्रोवर्शियल फिल्म है, तमाम चीज़ें हैं साथ में. फैमिली का कैसा रिएक्शन है? सबसे बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट जो मुद्दा है हमेशा वो यही आता है कि कोई प्रोजेक्ट करो.
फैमिली, यस. सो इनहिबिशंस थे काफ़ी बिकॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट बैकग्राउंड एंड बॉलीवुड का नाम जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं समवेयर देयर इज दिस थिंग. बट
when I always say this, and I've recently did a podcast, somebody interviewed me and I mentioned this, that God has given us one life.
Yes.
And चित्रगुप्त को हम जाके नहीं बोल सकते. एक जिंदगी थी. I was at this job and I've been doing that from 25 years. I was given this salary and खत्म. सिलसिला.
That सिलसिला, yes. Yeah.
देखा
एक ख्वाब
Oh my
तो ये
God.
सिलसिले. Yeah.
Love that film.
Yeah.
सिलसिला.
That सिलसिला,
देखा एक
yes.
ख्वाब.
Yeah.
देखा
एक
एक ख्वाब.
ख्वाब
Oh my
तो ये
God.
सिलसिले. Yeah.
Love that film.
Yeah.
Good at reading people. Give us the tips. It's very important to read people. बड़ा मशक्कत भरा काम होता है. I always say this. I am also good, touch wood, but I am an emotional fool also. That's the image people don't know about me, and I don't declare it.
No,
So-
I you know what we say, we have bagged this word as emotional fool, but trust me, emotional people are the most intelligent and most
Walk wide,
amazing
yes.
people.
When it comes to personal life, it's all fucked up. Beep लगा देना. Good at reading people. Give us the tips. It's very important to read people. बड़ा मशक्कत भरा काम होता है. I always say this. I am also good, touch wood, but I am an emotional fool also. That's the image people don't know about me, and I don't declare it.
No,
So-
I you know what we say, we have bagged this word as emotional fool, but trust me, emotional people are the most intelligent and most
Walk wide,
amazing
yes.
people.
When it comes to personal life, it's all fucked up. Beep लगा देना. मोहब्बत के जज्बे को ज़िंदा रखते हुए किसी ने ताज महल बनवाया और उसी मोहब्बत के जज्बे को और ज़िंदा किया जब कमाल के कैरेक्टर्स ने ताज स्टोरी जैसी फिल्म में किरदार निभाए. मेरे साथ में प्रज्ञा. वेलकमिंग यू. दिस इज़ मी, से आदि. फर्स्टली ब्रीफ मी अबाउट योर कैरेक्टर, अबाउट हाउ डिड यू प्ले इट, हाउ डिड यू गेट इनटू द फिल्म, हाउ वाज इट?
So I can say with two quotations that तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है. And with this quotation, I was, I believe in this, and I started my journey as a counselor and a life coach 5 years back. And in that journey, I discovered a lot of women who were, going through a lot of self-belief issues, body image issues. And where it was my story as well, and by coaching and counseling them, I got my belief that okay, any dream which is seen is achievable. And from being a die-hard fan of Bollywood movies since childhood, and SRK being my
Yeah, the first question जो उन्होंने मुझसे भी पूछा.
DDLJ, yeah, with that movie. I had this dream that sometime, somewhere, I may, get that chance to even, share that screen with SRK and giving that belief that, okay, ho bhi sakta hai ki nahi. And then in that journey, I found Vicky Gupta, my casting director, and I met him, and through that, he got me into this role. Truly grateful and gratitude to him and his crew. And I got to play the role of a tourist there. And it was in the Taj Mahal because I also resonate a lot with romance and love. I'm a person who is I would love to shower love to people. So that attracted me towards Taj story.
मतलब कि आप तो देखिए थेरेपिस्ट भी हैं, तो कास्टिंग कोई ना भी करे तो आप भला फुसला के करवा सकती हैं, वो पावर है आपके हाथ में, नहीं?
वो पावर मेरे हाथ में नहीं, मैं मानती हूँ कि मैं आई एम अ टूल of God. I am a staunch believer of God, and He makes me do through His work through me. So I believe in making a world a better place to live in, where there's always love and happiness always.
आप पॉलिटिशियन क्यों नहीं बन जाती? मतलब कि गुड थॉट्स टू हैव। एंड दैट स्टोरी एक फिल्म है जिसकी बड़ी चर्चित भी हुई तमाम
Yes,
चीज़ों को लेकर कि
yes.
अरे एजेंडा फिल्म है, अरे
Yes.
कंट्रोवर्शियल फिल्म है, तमाम चीज़ें हैं साथ में। बट यू टेल मी, हैव यू एवर बीन टू आगरा? आप कभी गई हैं? आपने
Yes.
फोटो खिंचवाई है ताजमहल के
Yes,
बाद ऐसे
definitely.
खूंटा पकड़
Yes,
के?
of
You done
course.
that?
पहले मैं गई हूँ, 2-3 बार गई हूँ, and then I never thought कि
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा मौका मिलेगा. And yes, by being in the movie and doing that acting, maybe it's a small role, but still that artist within me came
Thappa
out.
has to be there.
That is there, and yeah, it's a very, and I saw my biggest learning from that role and doing that acting is that my God, so much of efforts everyone puts in as a teamwork, and the way they are working, slogging without food, without everything. I mean, hats off. As in spectators, we always think हाँ ठीक है ना, मतलब हो जाएगा types या ना ऐसे ही सज के आ गए, but no, it takes a lot. Like,
And that also changes your perspective, you know why? So before, I also shot a series last year and there are some projects in the pipeline. मैं भी वैसे ही था एज एन ऑडियंस, अरे कोई फिल्म अच्छी लगी, बहुत बकवास फिल्म है। नाउ बिकॉज वी नो कितना मशक्कत भरा काम है, व्हाट आर द सिचुएशंस एट सेट, एक्टरों की क्या हालत होती है। आई रिमेंबर फ्लाइट के सीन में आई वाज स्वेटिंग लाइक एनीथिंग। आई डोंट स्वेट यूजुअली, मैं नहीं करता स्वेट, बट उस दिन तो पता नहीं, वो मे बी 50 लोग थे है ना एज पैसेंजर इन द फ्लाइट। मेकअप वाज वेरी हैवी, आई वाज इन साड़ीज एंड ऑल, ज्वेलरी दैट हेल्प्स कि स्वेटिंग हो आपको मजेदार। भाई मैं एंड आई केम इन द जो मेन लीड थे उनके बेचारे, he is like आदि इतना ट्रीटमेंट तो मुझे कभी नहीं मिला, we are friends also, so मैं यार I don't know but it's difficult. But you tell me, were you very good with your lines and everything, and how did you manage?
Initially I was not, but I had practiced thanks to my co-actor who was a guide. I don't remember his name, but yeah, he helped me a lot. Plus Vicky ji, he helped me a lot to be cool there, because it was first time for me. So yeah, but yeah, it went well and I learned a lot, I can say.
फैमिली का कैसा रिएक्शन है? सबसे बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट जो मुद्दा है हमेशा वो यही आता है कि कोई प्रोजेक्ट करो।
Family, yes, so inhibitions थे काफी, because coming from that background and Bollywood का नाम जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं somewhere there is this thing, but definitely they were supportive. Some people are supportive, some are not, but that's always there when you have to climb that success ladder. You have to be alone, and I feel I'm not alone. My God is always there, so watching me, universe or whomsoever you pray to, it's always there.
शूटिंग कहाँ पे हुई, कितनी that's also a challenge because you're a counselor, therapist, आपके clients भी थे, you were giving that also on set. How were you managing?
So I had to travel to Agra. So luckily I have my very good friends there. So I was put up at their place and they helped me a lot, supported. So I had to schedule my things and managed. So I'm a multitasker since childhood, and I've been so I represented India at Mrs. Curvy Globe last year and won the Country Pride Award as a brand ambassador for body positivity and inclusivity for women. So somewhere, and I started my career as a jewelry entrepreneur. So I'm into multi things, and that's how God has given me the stuff. So, and we are also working on a project with Vicky ji on, as I love singing. I have learned Hindustani classical, so we are working on a project very soon. Maybe we will come up with that. So yeah.
मतलब कि सारे हाथ जो हैं आपकी पूरा वही डब्बे में है आपका पूरा हाथ, घी तो उंगलियां छोड़ो. But it's good, when I always say this, and I've recently did a podcast, somebody interviewed me and I mentioned this, that God has given us one life.
Yes.
And चित्रगुप्त को हम जाके नहीं बोल सकते. एक जिंदगी थी, I was at this job and I've been doing that from 25 years. I was given this salary and खत्म.
So I'll tell you, the biggest inspiration in this is Priyanka Chopra,
Yeah,
PC
yeah.
the Great, and I bagged my Mrs. India
I love the
ink
Shah
and
Rukh and
she
PC. Love that you have.
she said in one of her interviews, like, you can have it all.
Yeah.
Women can have it all. Well, for me, I have my kids, my 3 teenagers, to have a lot of responsibilities.
Yeah.
But somewhere, no, these things, my profession, my hobbies, keeps me alive. And yeah, if I'm sitting here with you doing a podcast, it's truly a law of attraction, which I teach my
Yeah.
people,
And
clients,
it's a way of meeting. You see,
way of meeting. Yeah, that's how it works.
I wasn't aware that I'm gonna do it, and then Vicky just called me like, let's do it and all that, and we had a discussion last night. And I'm like, "Okay, let it be. Let's just do it."
Yeah.
And I had a shoot, and can you believe I was packed for 2 shoots back to back today, and another shoot got cancelled because this was supposed to happen.
Wow.
तो मैंने कहा, यार ये तो कमाल
This
ही हो
is
गया.
how the
Yeah.
universe works,
Yeah.
and that's किसी वो शाहरुख की वो है ना डायलॉग, किसी चीज को आप शिद्दत से चाहो तो
कायनात लग जाती है पूरी.
so that's how it works, I guess. And that's how, for me, it's my second half of my life where I've started all this. So my first half was very challenging. From there I took my strength, and doing that, I'm here. And I can say to each and every person in this world that whomsoever is watching this, if I can be here and I can be doing this, any one of you can achieve your any dream you want.
Hannah?
Yeah, seriously.
Because you inspire people.
Yes.
To believe in their body, to believe
In
however
themselves,
they are.
yeah.
Tell me, what are the 3 tips for not having a brain fog?
I can say the biggest thing is the affirmations I give, which you have to practice in front of your mirror, And so this is a thumb, a thumbprint is always unique. No other person can copy your thumbprint. You are the unique creation of God.
Yeah.
And you have to believe in yourself that whatever you are, whoever you are the best in your own skin. So you have to just look into the mirror and say those affirmations that I'm whatever you want to, be. And that works like crazy. See into your own eyes, because you
Yeah.
are the best friend of yourself. And then certain meditations, visualizations, which are different things which I teach, and which has helped me. And being always in faith to whomsoever you pray to. It could be any religion, any, that one. So my mentor says,
don't pray for the people. That's worst.
my mentors always says that you have always a rock to climb on.
Yeah.
You have with you. So he will always take care of you, and he's always there guiding you. And I feel here also he's there. So
कितना समय लगा फिल्म को हाँ करने में? कितना समय लगा ये समझने में कि ओ चलो finally I'm gonna do it?
I think almost 6 months.
अच्छा 6 महीने लिया?
Yeah, मैंने मतलब I was like, Vicky ji is one who has been motivating me to get into this, and I thought whether there was self-doubt creeping in, because it's a big screen
course,
and
of
coming in a very new setup, so it was there. But then of course the passion in me, the drive and the dream, I think that helped me get into this. So yeah.
What are 3 songs
Amazing.
of your playlist that always goes on your mind?
Oh, topmost, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
Oh, Shah Rukh Khan, ठीक है.
Second is from Salman Khan's movie मैंने प्यार किया. And
Which?
the मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली. Third is from Rekha and Amit ji's.
सिलसिला.
That Silsila,
देखा एक
yes.
ख्वाब.
Yeah.
देखा
एक
एक ख्वाब.
ख्वाब
Oh my
तो ये
God.
सिलसिले. Yeah.
Love that film.
Yeah. So Yash Raj, I am die-hard fan of his movies, and always in continuation I'll watch. So yeah, that is where.
When you got to know कि star cast इतनी बड़ी है फिल्म की है ना, Paresh is there.
Yes.
And Paresh ji is now choosing roles which are very serious
Very,
and all.
very,
जबकि
yes.
we have a different image for him.
Very.
We love him for different characters
Different
that he
characters,
has played.
yeah.
So that is like iconic. There's
Yeah.
no change we can do. And that kind of comedy, I remember De Dhanadhan
Yes,
is my
yes,
favorite.
yeah.
I love Rajpal ji in that, and I've spoken to Rajpal ji twice in my life, and he came to me and told me, you know what? Last year only, I guess, I was talking to him, He's like, Adi, why don't you go and just do auditions? You know, you're too good. You speak so well. You look good. You should try, Adi. मैं चाहूँगा. Any day you need me, just call me. I'm like, sir, you saying that is something else, you know. Such dialogues like कि क्या रखे हम दुकान का नाम जो फट से मुझसे निकले थूक. You know that dialogues can never be replaced.
Yeah, absolutely.
So tell me your favorite films of that era.
I think 90s. That movie Mohra, Two Cheez Badi Hai Mast,
Yeah.
wasn't that the role he played, and all those comedy. So one of his best movie was, I felt, was Oh My God,
Oh my
OMG.
God.
I loved that
Oh, yeah,
character
yeah,
of
yeah.
his. And
First one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that was so good.
That was amazing. And then I love his, you know, side roles but
Yeah.
in those 90 movies. I don't remember exactly the names, but yeah, I've watched a lot with a lot of interest. So I love him.
He was in
as a-
Vedanath also, na?
Yeah.
Where नेहा धूपिया comes and वो पैसे चुराने आती है बुड्ढे के ऊपर इनके
Yeah.
पैसे चुरा के she goes to cupboard and then you know जो बुड्ढे की वाइफ होती है वो उसको रंगे हाथों
Yeah.
पकड़ लेते हैं नेहा धूपिया says मैं रुकूं कि मैं जाऊं. I love such things. Oh my God.
Yeah.
But I guess for me cinema has come a bit late for my life because I've been a crime journalist with Dainik Bhaskar for 9 months
Okay.
initially when I started and then I was a radio jockey. तो ये सब तो बहुत लेट किया है मैंने. तो मैं 2.5 साल रेडियो जॉकी था चंडीगढ़ में एंड फॉर मी इट वाज नेवर अ सीन बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर अ रेडियो जॉकी यू टॉक मोर अबाउट द सिटी. कहाँ गड्ढे हैं,
Yeah.
यू नो डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर से बात होती है हमारी. एवरीवन इज ऑन फोन. इट्स लाइक what, hello, who are you? It's that confidence. But when I came to Mumbai, I'm like, oh, I have to study cinema. Fashion I watched very late, I remember. A lot of films. Wake Up से मैंने बहुत जिंदगी में लेट देखी. मैं क्या रही तो बड़ा ही कमाल का you know different world है जो मैंने बहुत लेट सीखा. So now how do you see Bollywood?
Now, like I'm seeing the reality, like how much, you know, मेहनत I can say, इतना ज़्यादा एक सीन के लिए you have to be, you know, because I was a spectator पहले तो it was a very different perspective, but now it's more like, you know, it's been so much of hard work which
Yeah.
everybody puts in as a teamwork, whether it's a cameraman or a spot boy or anybody in the domain. So just huge respect for the whole industry. That's what I can say now.
Also, you know what, Pragya ji, because you are good at reading people, you know, give us the tips. It's very important to read people, you know. बड़ा मशक्कत भरा काम होता है. I always say this. I am also good, touch wood, but I'm an emotional fool also. That's the image people don't know about me, and I don't declare it.
No,
So,
I you know what we say, we have, you know, bagged this word as emotional fool, but trust me, emotional people are the most intelligent and most, you know, most
walk wide,
amazing
yes.
people.
When
yeah.
it comes to personal life, it's all fucked up. Beep लगा देना.
No, it's not about reading people. You meet, you have experiences, and you know, we are taught certain body
Yeah.
postures and kind of, you know, that experience, with experience it
In the
comes
society,
in
yeah.
the society. And when you have a kind of a tribe where you move in, that's how you understand people. Like, you know, if it's film industry, it'll be different. If it's intellectual, it'll be different. So if it's modeling, it'll be different.
Yeah.
That's how you have to understand that. So it comes with experience and of course your skills, what you gather.
No, I'm very good at reading people professionally, and I'm very bad at remembering people. Oh my God, मुझे तो कोई याद ही नहीं रहता. I have this habit of hugging people because they're coming in. Big producer directors have done this, huh? So I remember I was in Lokhandwala. Some big short guy came to me. He's a big director or something like that. Hi Adi, how are you? He's doing, and I'm, you know, miming my words and asking my friend, who is he? Who is he? And he has come to me, and he's hugging me. तो मुझे लगा जाने वाला होगा. मैंने hug भी किया पीछे. मुझे नाम आता है. मैं कहा hello आप कैसे? मैं नाम ही नहीं लेता. I will never take your name. If I
Okay.
don't, I forget people and their face. I'm like, oh my God, this is so difficult to remember. So what is the way of, you know, recalling faces and
Calling
names?
faces, maybe some certain like, you know, you have liked about that person, certain thing, certain image, or maybe you met me and certain thing about that person.
remember,
You may
yeah.
remember that. Maybe sometimes it's clothes also, the kind of persona they are wearing. So it can be that also, to remember that. So, but it's very very evident that, you know, people, if you're meeting many people, you'll not be able to remember so much.
Yeah.
That's
I meet
very
a lot of people.
yeah. So then it's okay. I mean, it's very normal to have that.
Yeah. Also, you know, how do we segregate and bifurcate our personal and professional life? I am somebody who keeps professional life very different, very different, very different. And when I am personal, I'm super boring. You see all this cha-cha peppa and all entertaining. It's only for the camera. The time it's a cut, you will be finding me in my bed all day. Maybe scrolling reels. I'll watch some content. I am a big time. I don't know. मुझे रणवीर बरार की cooking recipes बहुत पसंद है. That's my sleeping guilty pleasure. So until I don't watch anything, you know, cooking and all in the night, that's how I sleep. तो वो मुझे बताएं. ये तो बड़ा मशक्कत भरा काम है दोनों को अलग रखना.
हाँ है, but it's normal. Like if you can keep it separate, if you can keep it separate, it's fine. Otherwise, I believe मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी हूँ. For me, I'm in profession also. I'm the same anywhere, everywhere. I love that and I do that. So it depends on person to person how you have to keep it separate or not, because then we are wearing masks, you know, and there will be like, if I'm a, you know, sometimes I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a this, so that way you have to change roles. That's how. But then when you are with your own self, that will be place where you'll be, you know, doing whatever you.
I hate people. Yeah. I'll tell you. See, look at the, you know, आप विडंबना देखें दुनिया की. I meet a lot of people on daily basis. A lot, like I guess आज मिलाकर मैं शायद 90 लोगों को मिल चुका हूँ सुबह से, because this is my third shoot of the day and I was on another shoot and then I went to hospital and met the doctor and then I know the MD of the hospital, then I know the you know another doctor who treated me when I was dengue diagnosed, all of it. तो मुझे लगता है 90 लोगों को मैं आज में मिल चुका हूँ. ये professional, public. जैसे I'm home, if somebody is coming my home, I'll ask my, you know, flatmate. तो she's always like, ये आ रहा है. मैं कौन है, क्यों आ रहा है? Please avoid, no. If we can dodge it, let's not get somebody home.
Yeah.
I want to be very free and all. Why it happens?
So it's very natural because you are, you know, always with people. You have to spend time with your own self to get that. To get that strength back to again meet people next day. This happens with me. If I am with so many clients every day, back to back session, back to back, I am so drained out in the night that, oh please, my kids also don't talk to me. That's like the thing. You have to have that kind of, you know, space where you need to get that strength back in yourself and, you know, to be ready for next, you know, that's where the meditation comes in. And meditation can be not like only, you know, chanting and all. It's very a lot of ways you can do that with yourself, spending time.
भाई meditation किसी की आगोश में आ सकती है आपको.
Yeah, it can be with a song also. Like, I love Kumar Sanu 90s songs. At times I just
hear. Oh my god, please. उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड आजकल बिग बॉस में है. Okay,
is it?
You don't know?
I don't watch.
That has not to be on the camera. Too many reveals I've done. But that's there, and music is integral part of our industry, and that has been a talk.
Soothing. And that's how. So I sing bhajans, and I'm God. Like I pray to Lord Krishna, and that's how I, you know, draw my energy from, and I feel that's music is a very good way of soothing your own self. But
and you have I guess moods भी हैं. सुबह you want energy.
Yeah, definitely.
रात तक आते फिर आप पहुंच जाते हैं सूफी पे.
Yes. So that's how our Indian classical is, na, rags. There are different rag for different timings, so you can, you know, sing and learn that.
What is the message to people last time taking? You know, जो they are working and बड़ा मशक्कत भरा काम है, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को प्रायोरिटाइज करना, and then thinking I have to prioritize myself.
I can say that please always prioritize yourself. Profession, work, money, everything will follow if you have very good relationship with your own self. That is the power of self love, which I can say, and that is some time you have to spend with your own self in the whole day. You take out and manage it to be that, you know, to take that strength for the next day. So I guess, and with persistent perseverance, a lot of hard work, you can be here like I am here today.
And a message to audience, because the film is still in cinema.
Yeah, so I'll say that please do watch this movie. It has lot of hard work put in, and
Yes.
whatever the controversies were, I think it's all gone with the movie coming up. The reality is shown there. So yeah,
Done with that. Thank you so
thank
much.
you,
It was
thank
a
you so
pleasure
much.
talking to you.
Thank you, thank you.